wanna tell you what's going on. We took these pictures, but now I'm left with empty frames in my room. These twisted memories fill up my head and leave me feeling blue. It's time to let you go. I'll see you in the end, I suppose. So bring it on home to me. Walls are breaking down, and I wonder what you're doing now. The scattered memories, they follow me as I fade away to a night on the town. Feeling jaded as the colors are streaming down, and I think of you time and time again, and the worries that you left under your bed. And if I make it out alive, I won't pretend that you bring it on home to me. And someday you'll see you again. Someday. But I'm trying